guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a comparison between this iPhone 12 Pro Max clear case with MagSafe. So I got this from Apple. This one right here. And then I have two other cases as well. So these are from the Otterbox. So these are just, this is the Symmetry case. And this one is clear. And then the other one is also a Symmetry case, which has this shimmer in it. I just love it. It's really, really cute with those shimmers. So anyway, you might probably gonna be wondering why I have two Symmetry Otterbox case, but I will explain that to you later. So first, I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max here. It's beautiful. It's lovely. I used this quite some time, and it's amazing. So anyway, when I got this phone, I purchased this MagSafe. This is a clear case, and personally, I love the quality of the case. So this one actually is made up of polycarbonate. I love the fact that this one is thin, really thin, and it's also light. So let me just try to put this case inside. So I'll just press the edges around the corner, and yes, it fits perfectly. And also right here at the bottom, the buttons are really, really soft. Right here at the power button, and then the volume right here as well. Amazing, really soft. So anyway, so this one is crystal clear, and it is a flexible case. As you guys probably have noticed, when I slide the phone into the case, it slides in perfectly. You know, it also fits just like a glove. Like, yeah, see the edges right there? It's perfect. I love it. And this, on the website, this one, they said that this is an interior. It is a scratch resistant from both interior and exterior as well. And also the coating. So they optimized the polycarbonate plastic coating to prevent yellowing. That is amazing, because I knew I have several cases in the past and they turned yellow over time. But anyway, as you guys can see, it has a built-in magnet right there, which is compatible for the MagSafe charger. I don't know what you guys think about this design. I think it's cute. I do think it's cute with that detailed right there. I really find it. But the thing is that, okay, as we all know that the iPhone 12 Pro Max has those three cameras right there. So the cameras, actually, it's protruding, so you guys could see. And also with this particular case, I like the fact that they cut out around the edges of the camera. They raise it a little bit higher to protect, of course, the three cameras right there at the back to protect the lens. That is really a plus. And also the thing is, like, yeah, the corner is, and also right here they raised this right here. Those edges, the bevel edges, also were raised as well to protect the touch screen, which is really a smart thing to do. And also right here at the bottom, I know that a lot of the iPhone cases, they did not really, the bottoms looks like this for an easy access on the volume, on the speaker, and other stuff. But anyway, I totally didn't like, I'm not really a fan of the opening right here. So most of the time I I always try to protect my phone because this phone is a little bit pricey, so you just, as much as possible, you wanted to protect it. But this case itself, the question is, would this be enough to protect your phone from drops? I didn't really care so much with the scratches because regardless of what you do, you will always get scratches. But my concern is, would it help protect your phone from drops? But looking at it right here, the opening right here, I'm not really a fan of that, really. I mean, that's why I am on the fence of probably keeping this or use the Otterbox instead. But anyway, I love this case, guys. It is so flexible. It's clear. I think it is, if they could only just covered here at the bottom, I think this would be great. So what I am trying to, so this one right here, I have a phone here. What I meant is on the bottom side of the phone. So see, actually protects right here. That's just what I really wanted. And this one is so open. I didn't really like that. This one is protected by a silicone material, and this one is just wide open. So anyway, that is the clear case with MagSafe for iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this one retails for $49 US. Okay, so moving on to the next item, we have here the Otterbox Symmetry case for iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the one that I have here, this one is actually clear. So if you're somebody that likes to show off their device, this is perfect. And it is thin. I love it. So this one is also made of a polycarbonate material. Right here on the corner, it is made up of synthetic rubber. And as you guys, I mean, I'm trying to feel it, and it's really like, it's stiff. It is really stiff at all compared to the MagSafe. The MagSafe is so flexible, really, really soft. And as far as the durability of Otterbox, yes, it is proven. That's why I purchased this Symmetry case. And this case actually works for the MagSafe charger as well. And I really like the fact that this one right here actually covers right here at the bottom. It also has this covering protection right here in the bottom, and I think this is perfect case if you are more concerned for, you know, for drops and scratches. And I think, and also if you're looking for a maximum protection for the phone, this is actually a perfect case for you. And also, you guys probably have noticed that I did not put the iPhone yet, because that is my main issue. I got this before my iPhone arrived, and I was so excited. And when it arrives, I did an unboxing, and this case, my phone, the iPhone, would not fit on the Symmetry case. The corners right here is so stiff. Like, so you guys could see that. It's like, oh my gosh. I mean, it's very, very, very stiff. The only thing that's soft is right here at the corner, the rubber material. And the side is extremely stiff. Well, I could understand, you know, I totally understand that they're trying to make a case to actually protect the phone from drops or anything like that, but I have an issues. So let me start right here at the corner and work my way down. You see, guys, it would not fit. I mean, it's so stiff. It's like, it should actually, yeah, let me just see. I tried this so many times. I tried this so many times and it didn't work. So I'm going to try again. So you guys can see right there. See, I'm going to try to push this once again at the top. I mean, I was thinking, like, is it like a user error because I couldn't make this phone fit? Yeah, I'm having such a hard time. Okay, I think we are getting there. Wow, it is stiff, guys. It is so stiff that I can do this. I tried this several times and yeah, I couldn't make it work. I have no, see right there, I managed to put this one in. I should have probably pushed this a little bit more inside, but since the material is very stiff, it wouldn't move. See, it's not flexible at all. I can't even push the corner, and it's just like that. I have no idea why. It's terrible. So it's so hard. It's like a struggle just to put the case inside. I could not make it work. It's stiff. I give up with this case. Terrible. See, I tried to take it out and yeah, I don't know why. I got this online and looking at the case, it only says iPhone 2020 large. They're not being specific if this is actually for the 12 Pro Max. And yeah, definitely disappointed. So the other day I went to the store and picked up another case, which is the Symmetry case. And I am much more interested with the Symmetry case because it's not too bulky compared to the Defender. So I tried this last night and I have the same issues. So, okay, let me just start here. I don't know. I'm not sure if I did it the wrong way. I don't know. If you guys have an issue with this, please let me know. If you have a trick on how to make it easier to put the phone inside, to put the phone in a case without a struggle, please let me know. Please leave a comment down below. I would highly appreciate it. So it's stiff. The case itself is stiff. The reason why I got the second one is because I was thinking maybe, I mean, the first one is really not compatible. There is something wrong with the case itself. I got the defective one, but it is just stiff. I totally dislike the quality of the material that they use for this case, for the Otterbox. I don't even remember if I have these issues at all. I don't even remember, but right now it's like even the silicone cases, the rubber right here, yeah, I can't even, wow, I'm surprised. This retails for $50 and like here the buttons are stiff. It's made up of I don't know what kind of material that they use for that. I mean, it is not this is not a silicone material. This is not soft at all. The buttons right here, the power button. And also, let me just see, it's the same thing. So did I do it? How can I make this one work? It should slide in, and even if it is snug, it would still like be a little bit more flexible, but it is not. It is, oh my gosh, I can't believe this. This is so frustrating, really. Such a frustrating thing to do. So it is so hard to, and I know that, you know, I love what I like about this is, see, it's so pretty. I love it. And it looks like the cutout edges right here for the camera is great, but it would be so ridiculous if I would do a review in the case that it wouldn't even fit. It wouldn't go in. I don't know if there's any sort of trick that you could do, but it is just a case, really. I have never had any issues with the case in the past just to put it in. But this one, I consider this one, I don't know, with the manufacturer, I don't know how they crafted this. Could it be defective? Is it like it was just only me that has problems, or I just didn't really want to put more effort to push it harder? Because I mean, well, it shouldn't be a struggle. But going back to the MagSafe ones, I am going to put the phone and right there. See, it just fits perfectly. Perfectly. No issues at all. That's what I wanted. I don't need to struggle. And also, if I want to take this one out, and also to take this out, it's so easy as well. So it is already out. See, this material is really great. Yeah, both of these are made of polycarbonate. I don't know what is the issues with the Otterbox, but yeah, it is frustrating. So guys, if you have any tricks, or I don't know if I got the defective cases, I'm probably gonna have to try, because I really wanted to get the Otterbox. I want to keep this also. I will be keeping this one as well, but if I'm going out and about, I wanted to protect the bottom of it. So this one didn't have a protection, but mainly I used this phone to film. So this would stay at home most of the time. But yeah, I mean, yeah, this is the comparison between the two together. So you guys could see, hold on, let me just take this. So you guys could see that the bottom is not covered on the MagSafe. I prefer to have those protection at the bottom. And this one is great. I love the quality for this. I mean, this one is almost perfect to me. I wish I keep saying that there's a covering in here. And also with the Symmetry case, this one is nice, especially this one, but it wouldn't fit. I probably didn't even try hard enough, but no, I'm not gonna have to go that route, like really push it harder. If I couldn't, then I couldn't. But anyway, this is so frustrating. I wasn't really happy with this case, Symmetry case. I'm not sure if, yeah, just let me know if there is anything I could do. I would do if I did a mistake of how to put this case the right way. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.